Welcome to Runaway Homestead. Hey, well, I'm not in the shop. Gone from having 70 degrees to cold and rainy here in Kentucky. And I'm heading out to our elderberry bush. Gonna take some cuttings in and put them in my willow water. And I just learned that this really should be cut back pretty far. I don't know if it's too late to do that, but I'm already getting growth, and I've seen people do this dormant. And I actually took cuttings last fall before it started going into dormancy, and they actually rooted pretty good. So I got my cutters. I am going to proceed to do some of this, and unfortunately I don't have anybody to hold a camera for me. Kind of hard to tell with all of the grow lights in here, but these are my cuttings from my elderberry last week, and seem to be coming along real well. I will probably do some more and probably get some off of our blackberry bush as well. And I got to get out here and find a place to move my grapevine to. Hey, Perry, Runaway Homestead. Just out here strolling around. I'll show you why in just a second. Hey, chickens. I like to talk to them. Kim's out and about. She had to, in the middle of the night, get up and take her dad to the hospital. He's not been able to breathe the past couple of nights. And I'll flip the camera around and show you what I'm going to look for. The wind took a panel in our vent off of our greenhouse, and so I found the vent panel, so I'm going searching for the big panel on the end. I'm not positive, but I saw something over in my neighbor's field laying there. I don't really think that that was it, but it's worth going to take a look. It's another wet, cold day here in Kentucky. My head's colder because Kim cut my hair off. So anyhow, I'll let y'all stroll over here with me. Getting ready to come up by the pond, and some of you might remember I've been working on this with bentonite, trying to get a leak taken care of. I'm gonna flip the camera around again so you can see. So here we are coming up on it. Kind of hard for me to tell what it's doing. I've got a flag right down here that I've been watching, and it's been staying right in that area. If you can see the that light color down in there, That's some of the bentonite around the edge. And it seems to be going down slower. And it's hard for me to tell down there. I know that's not from the pond out that far, but we've just had so much rain. In the past, right there, I got a blue flag. I was getting some water out right there. There's two flags over here, the one on this side. I'm not so sure that I was getting anything. It's just an area to watch. And I've got one more right here. My big leak used to be over this way. So I know I've got some of them taken care of. I'm also going to get this valley reseeded this spring. But anyhow, that's where I am with the pond. And I know Kim showed you all my wood pile over there, stuff that we were going to be using for some of the raised beds. That came from a barn that I helped tear down, and some of it was some old wood from a friend's dad passed away that did a lot of woodworking, and it was covered up for the most part, but some of it was pretty bad. But I have been able to use a bit of it. This is the field where I'm getting ready to go walk. And I see something way back here by my neighbor's fence. And I'm just gonna stroll back there and see if it is our greenhouse panel. Nope, just cardboard. I'll go ahead and pick that up and carry that out of this field for him. Well, I didn't find the panel for the greenhouse. I do have one more little bit of wood line I could check, but glancing down that way, I didn't see anything that looked like it. Because I wanted to show you this board that really is almost made like the panel, other than it being white, of what was in there. So I'm sure I can cut a piece out of that to fill the gap. And I don't know, I might even cut out a center and line it with plexiglass or something. We'll see. Anyhow, I got a couple of things I got to do up here in the shop. And you all see me enough up here as it is, so I'm not going to bore you with that. Got to go over here and make something for somebody to repair a flagpole. So anyhow, you saw the update on the elderberry and gone for a little walk with me. So it'll be a short video, but thanks for following along. Be a blessing in somebody's life, and I will catch you later.